Good morning. I'm Auntie Oxidant, but also known as Super Guitar Goddess on YouTube videos. Today I'm making ciabatta bread. We're going to start with our sponge. This is 2 cups of bread flour. To this I add what I had made, a mixture, which contained 1/2 teaspoon of active dry yeast in 4 tablespoons of warm water. When we talk about warm water, we talk about 110 degrees. Remember, not boiling, it's yeast. We don't want to kill the yeast. It's a living organism. To this, I'm adding 2/3 cup of water that's just been standing at room temperature. This is the beginning of the ciabatta bread. After I finish forming this paste, which is called the sponge, I will cover it and let it stand for sometimes 6 hours if I'm in a hurry, or sometimes 12 hours if it's overnight, never more than 1 day. We have 4 cups of bread flour in our mixing bowl. We're going to place the yeast, milk, and water mixture. This was 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast in 4 tablespoons of warm milk, dissolved for about 5 minutes, and then 1 1/3 cups of warm water was added to that. To this mixture, we also then add our sponge. This was made last evening. It can stay overnight in a bowl covered. We place that into our mixing bowl. To this, we add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And we mix it. At one point, we need to use our hands. To this, we will add 1 tablespoon of salt. After I finish kneading this for about 5 minutes, we will cover this with aluminum foil and let it stand for about 1.5 to 2 hours before we make our loaves. This will make 2 nice-sized loaves. So we sliced this in half, and we placed half of it onto a very nicely floured surface. And then we give it pinches. We don't have to roll it. Just pinch it all over. And then we place it onto our floured aluminum foil. And now we can wait for about 1.5 hours. And they will then go in the oven. So it's been about 1 hour and 45 minutes now, and we've practically doubled in size these ciabattas. And they're ready to go into the oven. The oven has been preheated at 425 degrees, and we also heated these cookie trays to that degree also. So they're nice and warm, and the ciabatta will be placed on there, and they're ready to go into the oven. 1/2 hour has passed, and we're ready to take the ciabatta out of the oven. We place it right onto a wire rack. Aren't they beautiful? ciabatta bread.